Hello friends, today in this short little video I will showing you the how to write this awesome little code using awesome filter effects inside Visual Studio. So this is the extension that provides you to write code with the cool little filters and effects here. You can have fire particles effect as well. You can now see fire particles. So if you want to write code like this, you can write like this. So there is also fire as well, flames effect. You will now see you can write like this. If I show you, you can write like this your code. So this is a very awesome extension which is provided by Visual Studio. The extension name is Power Theme. So basically if you go to the extensions tab, you just need to search for this extension which is called as Power Mode. This is extension. You need to simply install this, and after this you just need to change whichever claims that you want to: fireworks, particles, flames, magic. All these extensions are there, and then you can write your code accordingly. So very effective extension, guys. You should definitely install it.